only want to say if there is a way, take this cup away from me, for I don't want to taste its poison. Philip, pardon me, I have changed it, and not as sure as when we started. Then I was inspired. Now I'm sad and tired. Listen, surely I love received it. Expect